guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your black and white photos colorful on CapCut browser. So they have this new feature. If you go to magic tools here, you'll find a lot of options. For this one, I'm just going to select the photo colorizer and I'm just going to select colorize. Then you're going to upload in your black and white pictures. So for instance, I have this black and white photo here and I want to see it in a colored version. Upload it and wait for the AI to generate the picture. It does take like a few minutes to generate. So here is the after. Here you can save it, I think. Okay, save it here, download. And you can only colorize like 100 images per month. Here, as you can see, I have 98 images left, sorry, because I did try it before. And it's somewhat accurate, I guess. I do not know actually what lipstick she wore, but it's a good feature. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.